Hey guys, it's GV here, and I'm gonna show you how to use a little package we gave you to make a rosary. So if you take a look, we have the beads here and we have the knots in between. I'm gonna show you how I did it. So when you make a knot for your starter knot, so I'll start here so you can see. You're gonna hold your string and put the straw on top of it. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna take the string and wrap it around it and loop it behind here. And then you're gonna do the other one. Don't put it here, put it behind the string. So we're gonna go this way. 1, 2, 3. So if you look, I have 4 loops, and then you're gonna take the string and pull it through the straw. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna push a little bit. Let's see. It might be a little hard, so it's okay to practice. It's okay if you get it wrong. If it falls out, you can just do it again, no big deal. So you take out the straw, and then you have these little loops, right? And then you're gonna push it together. You're gonna push, 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 and then you have your first knot. So I'll show you how we start with. So we have that one, and then we're gonna put on a bead, and you can make these with the bead, you can make it without. So you're gonna put it on, there we go. And then we're gonna get out our handy dandy straw, if you can see that. And then we are going to loop it. So what Quyen told me is you can cross it. So I'll show you, kind of like this. And then you can loop it cross over this way. 1, 2, 3. And then I have kind of a short string at the end, so we're just gonna put it in the straw. And this is gonna be a mess, isn't it? Gonna put it in the straw and pull it out, and then just pull, and you just have to gently push it against the bead, and it should come out looking like, just kind of wiggle it, wiggle it, wiggle it, this. So now you have a place where it kind of sits. So if you want to make more space, you can loop more, or if you just want the little space, you can loop 2 or 3. And then I'll show you in another video how to make the tie at the very end of it. So stay tuned. All right, little bonus reel. Since you have reached the ends of your bracelet, we're gonna make the little tie. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna place them on top of each other like this, right? And make sure they stay pretty close. And then you should find your short string. So this string isn't very long. It's just a little short string here. And you are going to make what they call, this is kind of cool, a cobra knot. So you're going to loop one part under both. So go under both. All right, so that it looks like this. And you're gonna kind of make them crisscross. So this loop, so this side is gonna go over, and then you see this side? I want you to put this over this loop and under this loop, ready? And then you're gonna pull, and you should have a nice little starter knot, yeah. So now the next part, you're gonna do the same thing, just except if this side is over, then this side is under. So once you just have your starter loop, we'll just do this. We'll make this one go under, 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 under. Okay? So this one's gonna go under. And then this one's gonna go, you got it, under this. And then through the loop, and then we pull. Nice. So since this one went under the first time, what happens next? That's it. This one goes under. And until you get to where it's a length you like say, say you look at it and you're like, oh, I kind of like what this looks like. So this next part, you're gonna need an adult. Don't do this yourself. I want you to have an adult do this. But you're gonna cut off, not these ends, don't cut these off, but cut this off, and take a lighter and kind of melt it here. So for this last part, this isn't quite finished, but whenever you do finish yours, I'm sure it'll look better than this. If you don't want to do the clasp and it's kind of confusing for you, that's okay. You can ask for your brother or sister, your mom and dad to help you, and all you're gonna do is just tie a square knot. So remember, you're gonna tie one side over, and then you're gonna tie the other side over. That's not a square knot. I'm not gonna do. I'm so sorry. What the heck, bro?
Okay, while Chi Vy figures that out, if you guys really want to like be an overachiever and figure out how to do the class, then you can do that. And then what you'll end up with is something like this. So you'll just pull it apart, and then you can put your hand through it, and then just pull it. Then just pull it together. Then you have a bracelet. See? Easy.
Yay! So we hope you'll see you at the next adoration.
See you the third week of November.